What is David Dekel's Super Affiliate Funnel course all about? Done for you funnel or just another hyped up course? Welcome to this review. These are the questions we're going to be addressing. Is it a scam? How exactly does it work? Is it worth buying into? And are there any other alternatives out there? Stick to the end of this video. Not only are you going to have all the information that you need to make an informed decision, but I got a free gift for you as well. So make sure you watch right up till the end. So who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Rupesh and I am the founder of both this website, this YouTube channel, as well as the website of the same name, Passive Income for All. I have been in the make money online space since 2015. I came from the health field and one day I started hearing ringing noises in my ear and it was classified as a condition called tinnitus and I could not do my day job properly. And even with wearing a hearing aid, listening to music and watching movies, it was never the same. At that point in time, something um, told me that, you know what, I needed to get a backup plan because what if something worse happens where I'm unable to do my job? That's when I started searching for alternative ways of making money online. I came into the make money online space, but it wasn't always a walk in the park. I was confronted with a lot of different opportunities, mediocre ones, like the GPT sites, those get paid to website opportunities, online surveys. I even got scammed big time online, so I had my fair share of online scams. But there was hope at the end of the tunnel. It was a valuable lesson, and I'm grateful that I stuck it through because eventually I did find genuine and supportive online communities and training programs, and that put all my doubts aside and pushed me towards the right direction. And today I'm grateful to be able to speak to you, and I'm happy for all the success that I have gained over the time. So if you like to learn on how to make money online or legit ways to building an income online, go ahead and feel free to subscribe to this channel. I also like to tell you that I am not an affiliate for this program. That means I do not receive or earn any money from this program or anyone related to this program for making this video, nor do I make any money if you go ahead and purchase this course or business opportunity. But I am an affiliate for other programs. So that means if you purchase from any of the links that I post beneath this video, I will earn a commission, but this is at no extra additional cost to you. I will also make a pledge that in this video review, as well as all the reviews that I've posted thus far on my channel, I will do my best to provide you with my accurate, honest, and unbiased review so that you can make an informed decision on what to do. So, what is this program all about? So, the Super Affiliate Funnel by David Dekel, it is a done-for-you affiliate marketing system that's designed to help you earn commissions by promoting multiple digital products. So it comes preloaded with opt-in pages, email follow-ups, and affiliate offers. So you can start without building anything from scratch. The ultimate goal is to shortcut the tech setup and let you focus on driving traffic and earning or collecting commissions. So the core products are various affiliate products like Got Backup, SendShark, ROI Panel, Legacy Builder, Udemy, and other affiliate tools. The core industry is affiliate marketing, and the core business model is done for you affiliate funnel with multiple offer commission structure featuring high tickets. So, what is affiliate marketing? Now, let me just explain to you that it is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. So, let's just say when someone clicks your special affiliate link and they make a purchase, then you're gonna earn a commission. So, right out of the gate, you don't have to worry about any product creation of your own, and you don't even have to worry about following with customer service after the product is sold. That's none of your jobs. So you are simply being the digital middleman. You're recommending a product and they buy the product and you earn. So you're bringing two parties together. Okay, so now let's talk about the product. How actually does this program work? So this is how the Super Affiliate Funnel program works. First of all, you're going to join the program and then you get it done for your affiliate funnel, which is built for you. Then you got to add in all your affiliate links, and these are the various products that I talked about early on to promote these programs. And then this funnel obviously will also include pre-written emails, which will promote these 7 to 8 different tools and services. And you simply have to send traffic to this funnel, and you can do it using paid ads or solo ads. And then when someone buys through your link, which can be embedded in those emails, you will be earning commissions. Some of the products do offer recurring commissions. Some products are high ticket price items. So let's talk about the costs and the compensation and the earnings of Super Affiliate Funnel. First of all, the startup cost is around $3,000 one time with an optional upsells and extra tools. You also have monthly tool fees, and these are within the range of $50 to $150 per month for services like your email, autoresponders, and tracking tools. Then you also have to take into account traffic costs. Expect to invest at least $200 to $2,000 per month if you're going to end up using paid ads. And then you also earn commissions from multiple sources, tools, services, and high-end ticket offers. And some users also report up $5,000 to $10,000 per month, but results may vary depending on your traffic, budget, and effort. This is how much you can earn from this sort of course. So, is this program a scam? In my opinion, no. Super Affiliate Funnel is not a scam. It's a legitimate done for your affiliate marketing system that is created by David Dekel. You get access to real tools, working funnels, and verified affiliate tracking, but this is not a get rich quick solution. You need to spend money on traffic. You need to be consistent. You need to understand it's built around promoting tools to other marketers. So if you expect instant results without effort, this is definitely not going to work. But if you are ready to invest time and money into marketing, it can be a real business model. What are the good parts about this program? Well, first of all, as you have seen, you got it done for you funnel. So there's no tech setup needed. Everything's pre-built for you. You're ready to go. Since you're promoting a number of different products, you can build a number of different income streams from high ticket end, from recurring incomes, and even on the back end commissions. And then the follow-up email swipe files or emails are included. So these pre-written emails help to nurture your leads and to boost conversions automatically. Now let's take a look at some of the cons. First of all, as you might have guessed, it's a high upfront cost, $3,000 plus just to start, and it doesn't include your traffic or your monthly subscription tools that you might have to invest in. Obviously, you're gonna have to invest in paid traffic, and that it takes a skill on its own to get used to. Success depends heavily on ongoing ad spend, limited flexibility. Now you are locked because of the email swap files. You can't just promote any product, so you're locked to promoting specific tools with little customization to your campaigns. My final verdict on this course: Super Affiliate Funnel delivers on its promise of a plug and play affiliate system. It's great for those who want to skip the tech setup and jump straight into promoting. However, it's not a magic bullet. You'll need serious upfront cash, ongoing traffic investment, and a willingness to learn basics marketing. If you've got the budget and the drive, it could work, but for most beginners, there are more affordable and flexible options to build an online income without the steep risk. So, what are the alternatives? Well, my alternative is still affiliate marketing, and it is also high ticket affiliate marketing. As you have guessed, it is where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. But the difference with the models that I'm going to show you, or the opportunities that, right, well, first of all, you don't have to do any recruiting. You don't need to worry about sales support, customer queries. With this model, you don't have to own your own product. You can choose which products to promote. It's 100% online, so you can work from anywhere in the world. You can choose your hours. You can choose whether you want to work part time or full time. Now, here's the difference compared to the product that we just talked about is that there's low startup costs. And I'm going to show you how you can actually get started for free by joining a training course for free. It's a beginner friendly business model to learn and to execute, and you don't have to focus on turning high volume. Since you're promoting high ticket products, if your income goal is maybe to earn only $2,000 or $3,000 per month, then you only have to sell two or three items to reach your income goal. Other benefits about high ticket affiliate marketing is it does have the potential of helping you build a passive income. And once you've come to a point where you're earning consistent income, you're in a position to decide whether you want to still stick with your day job. And the other benefit is that you can create life on your term, and it definitely gives you the possibility of having time and location freedom. So, how can you get started with my number one recommendation? It's actually very simple. All you gotta do is just go ahead and grab my free gift. My free gift, as I told you earlier on, it's a low startup. You get access to a free online course. You don't need your credit card to sign up. You'll see proof that it works. You'll see proof that people are earning. And you'll also get bonuses. My free bonuses can help you fast track with social media marketing. So thank you very much for checking out my super affiliate funnel review. I hope that it has helped you out. Go ahead and like this video. If it has helped you out, then subscribe to my channel if you want to be kept up to date on what is happening in the world of online business. And don't forget to claim your free gift, which is waiting for you in my pinned comment. Just click on that link, or there's a link below in the video descriptions. Go ahead and click on that link to get access to your free online course. Thanks so very much for checking out this review, and I look forward to speaking to you in my next video. Wish you everything the best in your online success. Take care and goodbye.